Oh, welcome to Montenegro. Kahit sa barko nag-aaral. Yan sa Montenegro.
Maarte yun si Daya.
Batangas Port here in Kuya Joboy is studying world building and also Jaire. Jaida is social studies.
Food I love America.
What about to enjoy? And Mama. Okay. Today is Friday. So
Friday?
buti hindi masyadong matao ngayon. Malapit na po ang paglawig going to Calapan. Bye-bye.